We are here at Big Daddy K's Fireworks in Highland, Indiana. They had overall, I'd say some pretty good prices, especially on the shells and the 200-gram cakes. Alright, got some fountains here. The Linda Snow Cone, 18 bucks. Neon Jelly Beans, 12 bucks. That's a really good fountain. I like that one. That's a good color. Freaking crazy. It's a nice fountain. Some novelty stuff. Zoomers. Ground blooms. 25% off this stuff here. Got some cone fountains. More assortments over there. Some Brothers. Oktoberfest. Backtrack. 49, 45. More fountains. Nuclear physics. That's pretty cool. $5.99. Nice price. We got the bomb assortments. Hydrogen, neutron, cobalt, atom bomb. 50 bucks a piece. Not too bad these days. Lava lamp. Man, this thing's got a lot of cool color in it. 10 bucks, not a bad price. And it's none of that gimmicky buy one get two free stuff. It's all just individual. Old school cool. Bad Boys by Winda. Lighthouse. This is a pretty cool fountain by Winda. 16 bucks. Some 200-gram cakes. Colorful Skies, Monkey Business, Atomic Particles, Strolling Well, anything by Raccoon is going to be pretty darn good. We got a lot of 200 grammers. Anywhere from 14 bucks to 16 bucks. Thermal Blast. I don't think I've seen that one yet. Cherry Bomb. Mercurial Bee, 8 bucks. Great Expectation, 8 bucks. Buck Bear, 8 bucks. All classics right there for 8 bucks. It's a good price. Pulse Pounder, 15 bucks. Sons of Liberty. Haven't shot that one. 65 bucks. Got some missiles. Some single shots. Alien UFO by World Class. Little spinners. Magic crystals, 7 bucks. Everybody's gotta love these things. Single magic crystals, $1.50. It's got some single items here for like $1. It's pretty cool. Bomber planes.
I just finished that box, Mr. King.
Oh, here we go. Wow, how cool does this look? Shoots. 250 parachutes. Daytime cake. 60 bucks. That looks pretty darn cool. I might have to get that. Alien Landing. Captain Sam. Another daytime cake. Oh, it must be a smoke cake. I don't see anything about parachutes on there. $40. Some more shoots. Smoked Dragon, $15. Good price. 19-shot parachute cake, $25. Air assault. Doesn't say what it does. I'm assuming it's parachutes. Princess parachute, $15. Got some more Raccoon cakes up here. Tons of them. Flaming Wolf, that's a cool cake. $45. Galactic Empire, $50. Willow Explosion, $55. Neon Web, $55. I believe I can fly. Look in the jungle. Echoes of Eternity. And all kind of parachutes. Maximum Insanity, $224. Chain Reaction, $100. Psychedelic Nights, $129. Sky Graffiti, $70. Weekend Warrior, awesome cake by Raccoon. Earthshaker, Out with a Bang. Dirty Dancing in the Sky, rated X. $45 for Weekend Warrior. $40 for Boom Willow King. $35. Whack Job, $40. Now you see it. $40. Raccoon Squad. 1, 2, 12 200 grammers. $175. That's pretty cool right there. Some candles. $15. Mystic Barrage. Shogun. Cyber Candle, 140 shots. That's pretty cool. More Roman candles, $6. $10 for brothers. I got Bang Bros Classic, $70. Monkey Mania's in the house, 600 shots. $75. Ultimate Battle. Never seen that. Hazmat, $70. Chameleon 5000, $94. Air Boss, $75. Your Mama Forever, 15. Even Bad. Strong Man. It's a classic. 15 bucks. Good price. Lace combustion, cool cake. 18 bucks. Fabric acid avalanche, 15 bucks. Eye candy crisscross, 12 bucks. Bling bling, 14 bucks. It's a great price and a great cake. Love that. Been getting that forever. Stop and Go, Wild West, 15. Wild card, this is crazy. 49 shots. Cake's like 5 inches by 5 inches. It's a cool little cake though. 14 bucks. Killer alligator, 17 bucks. I'll get back to that sign. Some no abs. Neon rings, 135. Wacky Tobacco, 150. Uncle Sam, 124. It's not a bad price. The Vengeful Texan. Haven't seen that either. 70 bucks. American Anthem by Raccoon. Ghost Dragon, 140. No ab in a box. This is cool. This whole wall looks like it's 3 for 100 bucks. So like 33 bucks a cake. That's not bad. Hooligan. Light Brigade. Bamboozle. Big Top by Brothers. All classic cakes. Fire Drake. Irish Legend. 30 bucks. Old Ironsides, 30 bucks. Air Boss, 75. $9 bucks. 8 bucks. $9 bucks. Great prices. There we got 3 for 100 on these guys also. Shenanigans. Like a Star, Like a Boss, Crime Scene, Turf War, Blood Money, Inside Job. Here we got 3 for 120. There's a Rojak, Highfalutin, My Vice. I've been blowing this guy out forever. Actually, maybe my favorite, one of my favorite consumer cakes. These two actually. Individually, 45 bucks. Scarlet Thread, 40 bucks. Looks pretty cool for 480 shots. Some crackers. Big Bang and Beyond. 150. 4-1. Some double thumps. 70. Neon Nightmares. Let's see the price. Oh, there's 75 bucks. Make It Pop, 75. Sniper Fire by Raccoon, 54, 12 pack. Jury 12 pack, 55. Smoke and Mirrors, 55. Extra large by Raccoon, 55. King Arthur, 12 pack, 54. Got some donut shells, 34. Put a ring on it. Echo in the ears, 30 bucks. And we got some XCal Platinum, 125. XCal 100. Tiger Force. Those are some sweet shells. 115. Good price. King Dragon, 115. Into the Clouds. I think that's the new one. 109. Good price. 24 different effects on here. 6-inch shell. Miracle Bombs. Or 6-inch bombs by Miracle, 120. Maelstrom, 120. Supernova, 30. Minecraft, 30 bucks. 6-pack. Those are some sweet little shells right there. Shiki Blast, 30. Holy Nishiki on sale, 100 bucks. That's pretty good. That Freedom Ring, 100 bucks. Pink Spider, 109. Flawless, 109. Break the Rules, 35. Shiki Blast, 30. Mother of All Bombs. I don't see a price on these guys. Ghostacular, 100 bucks. Jury, 109. Beverly Go, 114. Chameleon Shells, 100. Smoke and Mirrors, 90 bucks. That's a good price on those. Quest Shells, 84, 85 bucks. G-Force. And got some ball shells. Got the Max. 750. Alright, Pyros. Have a good day.